Our final item of business is the moment that many of our members have been waiting for: the installation of the 2020-2021 Asheboro Zoo FFA Officer Team. As chair of the nominating committee, it is my honor to present the approved 2020-2021 nominating committee report. In the position of student advisor, Carson Harville. In the position of chaplain, Gianna Provenzano. In the position of historian, Mia Cruz. In the position of sentinel, Trinity Thomas. In the position of reporter, Michaela Shue. In the position of treasurer, Jenna Graham. In the position of secretary, Emma Brady. In the position of vice president, Fatima Galvin Ruiz. And your 2020-2021 chapter president is Kaylee Green.
Thank you, Madam Vice President. The nominating committee report has been approved. We will now begin the installation of the 2020-2021 Asheboro Zoo FFA Chapter Officer Team. Carson, as student advisor-elect, it is your responsibility to assist in planning, recruit students for membership, and encourage members to reach their potential for premier leadership, personal growth, and career success.
Gianna, as chaplain-elect, it is your duty to be a positive and encouraging presence in the development of our membership and inspire servant leadership in the activities of the chapter and the lives of our members. I know you'll do great, and congratulations.
Mia, as historian-elect, you have been selected to compile and maintain FFA history, including historical documents, records, and files. You're responsible for providing photography and creating a scrapbook. You must keep this information available for the reference of future members. I'm so proud of you, and you're going to do a great job.
Trinity, as sentinel-elect, your duties include welcoming our friends, caring for the meeting rooms and FFA equipment, and providing the comfort of our members and guests. It is also your duty to assist in conducting meetings and ceremonies. I know that with a big heart, you will do perfect in this position. I'm proud of you, and I wish you good luck in your year of service.
Michaela Shue, as a reporter-elect, your duty is to inform the public about the FFA. You're expected to work closely with the news media, including state and national FFA publications. You should keep a record of photographs and articles published concerning the FFA and its members, and be responsible for compiling our FFA history.
Jenna, as treasurer-elect, you have been placed in a position of trust. Your duties require you to keep an accurate record of receipts and disbursements and to provide regular financial reports. It is also your responsibility to assist in developing the chapter budget and maintaining sound financial practices. Congratulations and best of luck in your year of service.
Buma, as secretary-elect, you have been chosen to keep accurate minutes of our meetings and to carry on the chapter correspondence. You should provide the chapter with the order of business and committee assignments for each meeting. You will also keep a list of members, a record of degrees awarded, and have custody of the Constitution and bylaws.
Fatima, as vice president-elect, your record of accomplishment indicates that you have those qualities of leadership which we should all possess. You are to assist the president in directing the work of our chapter, preside over meetings in his or her absence, and keep all committees working effectively. Kaylee, as president-elect, you have been selected to be the leader of our chapter for the coming year. You are therefore responsible for guiding our chapter in all its worthy undertakings. May you work intelligently and seriously to fulfill the responsibilities of your office.
It is an honor to be an officer in the FFA. From time to time during the year, you may encounter difficult problems, but through cooperation, hard work, and dedication, you will succeed and the FFA will prosper. I now declare each of you properly and duly installed in the respective office to which you were elected. May your year of service be marked by integrity, dedication, and a cooperative spirit. Seek harmony among your fellow officers and set high standards of leadership for all chapter members. Members and guests, I present to you your 2020-2021 Asheboro Zoo FFA Officer Team. Thank you all for joining us for the banquet. It may look different than it has in years past, but it is also important that we recognize our members' accomplishments. And so thank you for helping us do that. And in this time, we have realized the importance of sticking together, of being communicative, and we have realized that we are apart, but we're not alone. So thank you all for joining us and helping us through all this. Madam Secretary, do you have record of any further business which should properly be transacted?
I have none, Madam President.
Does any member know of any new or unfinished business which should properly come before this meeting? We are about to adjourn this meeting of the Asheboro Zoo FFA chapter. As we mingle with others, let's be diligent in labor, just in our dealings, courteous to everyone, and above all, honest and fair in the game of life. Fellow members and guests, join me in the salute to our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I now declare the 5th annual awards banquet of the Asheboro Zoo FFA chapter adjourned.